In this video, I'm going to show you how to import NinjaTrader 8 add-on. Now to do this, you first want to open NinjaTrader and you want to go to your control center up top, click on Tools, and then hover over Import. Here you can find NinjaScript add-on, so you want to click on that, and then it's going to open up your file explorer where you basically have to find the script, or of course the add-on you want to go and import. So I'm going to go to my downloads. I have the sample indicator over here, which I'm going to click on, and then make sure it's a zip file, otherwise you won't be able to see it. And there's like a bunch of different places to get this. You can create your own, you can export it yourself from NinjaTrader to move it to a different computer. You can get it anywhere, like online from trusted sources. You can even buy these. There's a bunch of ways to get your add-ons. I have a video telling you how to get these, so you can of course go and watch that first if you are interested. But to import, just click on it, hit the open button, and then here it's going to tell you that using third party has potential to adversely impact the performance, etc. And do this at your own risk if you only trust these sources. And of course here you can click on OK if you agree. And then from here, I'm just going to hit yes because I'm just replacing a file. But of course, in your case, that's not going to be the issue. You have to wait for a few seconds, and then you're going to get a pop-up which looks exactly like this, called import, and then NinjaTrader successfully imported all scripts contained in the NinjaScript archive file. Click OK, and if it was like an indicator or something else, you can right click, go to like indicators, and then find it in here. And of course, if I go and find it, there we go, it was the simple spread. I can just click on it, add it, apply it, and there we go. It's been actually successfully imported as an add-on into my NinjaTrader 8, okay? That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.